Okay guys, so let's take a step into the future of Kaspa. Now a lot of you guys have asked for a follow-up analysis, not just on where Kaspa stands today, but where it could be headed once some key developments are live. I'm talking about smart contracts, T1 exchange listings, DEX integrations, bridges, and even stable coins. And I get it, these are the catalysts that could completely reshape Kaspa's place in the market and give it the kind of utility and reach that truly defines a next generation blockchain. So let's break it down, starting with smart contracts. So right now, Kaspa is already an impressive layer 1 protocol. It's fast, it's decentralized, and it's secure. But smart contracts are the feature that could unlock a whole new world of utility. Think DeFi apps, on-chain games, tokenized assets, real-world assets on-chain, all powered by Kaspa's ultra-fast block DAG architecture. It's not just about speed, it's about enabling an ecosystem. And once the devs can build on Kaspa the same way as they can on Ethereum, Solana, or Avalanche, that changes everything. It would finally give the crypto space a scalable, proof-of-work base layer that supports full programmability. And that's extremely rare and incredibly powerful. And the potential doesn't stop at functionality. Once smart contracts are live, we'll likely see the birth of a whole new wave of Kaspa native projects, launchpads, DAOs, marketplaces, NFTs, and a new generation of applications that actually benefit from high speed and decentralization. Now, the barrier to entry for developers drops, the opportunity for innovation rises, and suddenly Kaspa becomes more than a fast blockchain. It becomes a destination for creators, founders, and problem solvers. Then we've got T1 listings. Now, if Kaspa gets listed on a top tier exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or even Bitfinex, then it's game over. That kind of exposure brings in retail buyers, institutional attention, and global liquidity. Now, it's not just a price catalyst, it's a credibility signal. Suddenly, Kaspa isn't the underdog, it's front and center. And we've already seen what listings can do to other L1s. Look at what happened with Solana or Avalanche after their major listings. Kaspa really, truly has the fundamentals. Now it just needs the spotlight. And once the spotlight hits, we could see a whole new wave of awareness, adoption, and market action. Next up, we've got decentralized exchanges and bridges. Now, imagine being able to swap Kaspa directly on chain without leaving your wallet. Or better yet, imagine being able to bridge Kaspa assets into Ethereum, Arbitrum, Solana, or any other chain, and then use them in DeFi protocols across the ecosystem. That means liquidity flows, cross-chain applications, and real interoperability. The world is moving towards a multi-chain future. Kaspa doesn't just need to isolate itself, it can be the backbone of it, a base layer that plugs into other ecosystems and powers real use cases beyond its own chain. And here's something people overlook. Once Kaspa assets are bridged or wrapped, they can be added to DEX pools, used in liquidity farms, and even integrated into many different lending protocols. The DeFi potential here is absolutely huge, but it all starts with bridges and DEX support. These are the building blocks of a truly connected blockchain world, and Kaspa is positioning itself to be ready. Next up, let's talk stablecoins. Now that's where things get even more interesting. A native Kaspa-backed stablecoin could open the doors to DeFi, payments, and remittances, all with blazing speed and minimal fees. Stablecoins are essential for real-world use. Now, whether that's people in emerging markets who need a digital dollar alternative or DeFi traders looking for stability between trades, stablecoins are the foundation. They're the on-ramp to digital finance, and Kaspa Speed makes it a perfect home for them. Now, if you can imagine a stablecoin that settles in seconds on a truly decentralized, scalable proof-of-work chain, that's not just competitive, that's absolutely disruptive. That's a potential game changer in how people use digital money. Now, of course, we have to keep expectations grounded. These features aren't all live yet. Some are in development, others are being debated in the community. But here's the difference. Kaspa is actually building quietly, consistently, and without hype. The devs are shipping code, the community is growing exponentially, the infrastructure is coming online piece by piece, and unlike a lot of other projects that overpromise and underdeliver, Kaspa has shown that it can deliver real results. And that's what separates Kaspa from so many other chains. Most projects talk, Kaspa builds. And when you stack all of these future milestones on top of what already exists, the speed, the security, the decentralization, you start to see the full picture. Now, this isn't just, excuse me, this isn't just an alternative to Bitcoin. It's not just a faster Ethereum, it's something fundamentally new. A scalable proof-of-work smart contract platform with real-time block processing and a thriving community. A platform with no pre-mine, no VC control, and a genuine commitment to decentralization. And that's rare. So that's why I'm bullish on Kaspa, that's why I'm paying attention, and that's why I'll be here to break it all down step by step as each of these pieces starts falling into place. Because I personally genuinely believe we're watching something special evolve right in front of us. So what happens when Kaspa gets smart contracts, top tier listings, DEX support, bridges and stablecoins? Well, we've seen what those events have done for other chains. In Kaspa's case, given how undervalued it still is, the upside potential could be absolutely explosive. And the best part, you're still really early. The crowd hasn't arrived yet. The mainstream media isn't talking about it. Most people still don't even know how to buy Kaspa. That's your opportunity. So now is the time to be curious, to pay attention, to dig deeper, because projects like this, well, they don't stay in the shadows forever. Now, if you're excited about what's coming next, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which of these features you're most looking forward to. Is it the smart contracts? Is it the bridges? Is it stable coins? Or is it something else completely different? Because this is just the beginning.